5 Ds of digital marketing. Digital marketing revolves around these 5 Ds. Digital devices, digital platforms, digital media, digital data, and digital technology. The 5 Ds facilitate efficient interaction between the brand and its target audience, as well as provide insights into market behavior for better business strategy formulation and implementation. 1. Digital devices, devices including smartphones, tablets, desktop computers, TVs and gaming devices. 2. Digital platforms, most interactions on these devices are through a browser or apps from the major platforms or services, that's Facebook, and Instagram, Google, and YouTube, Twitter and LinkedIn. 3. Digital media, different paid, owned and earned communications channels for reaching and engaging audiences including advertising, email and messaging, search engines and social networks. 4. Digital data, the insight businesses collect about their audience profiles and their interactions with businesses. 5. Digital technology, the marketing technology that businesses use to create interactive experiences from websites and mobile apps to in-store kiosks and email campaigns. Understanding the importance of these 5 Ds of digital marketing and its implementation in digital marketing strategy is key to the potential success expected for adopting digital medium as a means for business development. We use all the 5 Ds of digital marketing and will help you to grow your business.